For absolute error, we are strict while taking the difference of reading and the actual value. Whereas for finding error, we always subtract the observed reading from the true value. But here we have taken a mindset of taking it always positive. Absolute error can never be negative. So we would say it is the difference of the two. Means doesn't matter whether the error is positive or negative, but when we call it absolute, it has to be positive only. So even if, that's why you see we have noted down here the difference. Difference means always it's taken to be positive only. Suppose you are taking measurement of A and the error is taking place delta A, then delta A upon A would be called relative error. Relative error. Relative error gives the idea of the size of the error that is happening in our measurement. That helps us in the assessment of error even if the readings taken are different or even different quantities are measured. Then also by just evaluating relative error, we can have an idea of the error taking place. We discussed absolute error. But like our measured quantities, here also we resort to take the average or the mean value of absolute error. Suppose you are taking 3 readings of A1, A2, A3, then mean reading would be referred as A1 plus A2 plus A3 by 3. This would be known as mean reading of the observation or the practical you are doing. Suppose the error taking place in these readings are delta A1, delta A2, delta A3, then mean error would be delta A1 plus delta A2 plus delta A3 divided by 3. This would be known as mean error, mean absolute error, and this is the average or the mean reading. If you take the ratio of the two, that is mean absolute error upon mean reading, it is known as relative absolute error. But the convention or the trends or whatever is practical in our life is percentage error. Mostly used term is percentage error. And percentage error, suppose you say that there is 4% of approximation in the readings of mass that has been taken, then it simply means that delta A upon A into 100, this is given to be 4%. That means when you multiply this thing by 100, this would be known as percentage error.